1949 Chevrolet Fleetline Deluxe two-door sedan here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Beautiful body style. Of course, the post-war classic when Chevrolet changed their body style after the war. 216 cubic inch inline six-cylinder underneath the hood. Manual 3-speed transmission. Let's take a look at the bright work up front on this one as far as the grille, bumper, headlight surrounds. Of course, the Deluxe had more of that bright metal on it, as well as the upgraded interior. And you can check out the still pictures of this one at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Beautiful dark blue metallic paint. The wide white wall bias ply tires, steel wheels, Chevrolet center caps for that authentic late 40s look. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You may find an imperfection here or there in the paint, but overall it shows very well. Those body panels, again, nice and straight. The bright work down the side, looking good. The interior's been redone. Kind of a gray-blue two-tone combination, cloth bench seat. Matching door panels, very stock-looking dash. Beautiful car in the interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end, Jason's going to take this one for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. One of my favorite body styles. You're going to love this fastback look. Take a look at the chrome on the rear bumper, taillight surrounds, rear trunk emblem. You can see nice reflection in that paint. A couple notes from the technician on this one. Did mention the radio was in op. Brakes are 100% front and rear. Drives out well. Still a 6-volt system. And there is a battery disconnect up underneath the hood, and we're going to check that out here in just a bit. If you like these late 40s, early 50s Chevys, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. There was one spot I'd noticed before that was touched up I wanted to point out. Being pretty fussy. Overall, like I said, paint does show well in this one. We have some stone guards in front of these rear fenders. Of course, the fender skirts. And look at that reflection in the paint. What a great looking car. All right, and the interior. Door panels. Very nice. Great contrast with this seat with the gray fabric, blue highlights striped in it. Carpeting in very nice shape, and it's quality fabric. It's what you would expect to be in a 1949, let's put it this way. It looks good, has that era correct feel to it. Look at the headline, are also nice shape, both visors. Of course, push button start on the 49, move from the floor from the previous models. And let's go ahead and see how that works. We're going to turn the key on. And like I said, just pushing the button. And that's it. That 216 fires right up, and it purrs like a kitten. Runs nice and smooth. Make sure we're neutral. That was a cold start too. Temp gauge shouldn't be up. See, the fuel gauge came up, battery, oil pressure. Great looking dash, very stock looking. How nicely that door closes, and you can barely hear this run. right, let's slip up to the front. We're going to pop this hood, take a look at the engine bay, and then stick around to the very end of this walk around video, and Jason's going to take it for a drive. Take a look at the underside of the hood. I wouldn't mind taking this one home to my own garage. Take a look underneath the hood, also nice and clean and tidy. They don't run much smoother than that. Again, there's that 6-volt battery disconnect I mentioned earlier. Heater hose is intact. How fun would this be at your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or just taking it out to drive it? 1949 Chevrolet Fleetline Deluxe 2-door sedan. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a beautiful 1949 Chevrolet. This car says Deluxe on the door, on the side of the car. It is a 3-speed manual on the column, or 3 on the tree. The left turn signal indicator does work. Very nice, original looking gauges. Speedometer is working. The temperature shows almost halfway up the gauge. The fuel gauge is about 3/4 of a tank. The battery is charging over halfway on the gauge, and the oil pressure, well, we're gently cruising, is right in the middle of the gauge. That's all good. The wiper's also working. The blower motor also working. This car is ready to go. Beautiful headliner, seats, interior, paint. That silver and blue look going very well together. A little bit of vibration from the old style tires, probably a flat spot from sitting in the lot in the showroom for a while. Otherwise, nice smooth ride. Beautiful all over. I'm looking around in here. Back seat, we have bench seat, front and rear cloth. Restoration, I would say. Pretty quiet ride too for 1949. I'm not getting much for wind noise either. Clutch squeak, a little bit of squeak in the clutch. That's a lot of times expected. Brakes feel very good. Went down to second before the traffic circle. Turns nicely. Luxurious in the corners, which is what you want in a 49. Great running Chevrolet from 1949. Find all the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.